Welcome to my humble home during the summer of 2022. I'd been too busy to create this video sooner, but I was cleaning out my video clips from the computer and I spied a potential video in the making, so here it is. Let me show you around my garden. I'm trying to establish a little wilderness here with some seasonal flowers. In the spring, the daffodils are the first to bloom. I have morning glories and some other pink flower that I have not yet identified. Summertime, the azaleas bloom. The irises have yet to bloom here since I have moved them. I also have flowers that only bloom in the fall. I have yellow mums and a flower my neighbor gave me which I know not its name, but I love that they show up every fall. I even planted a little blue spruce tree for extra decor. Maybe someday this whole place will be filled with flowers. My gardens receive many visitors. It would be very common for you to see a cat or two in my gardens. The birds make regular visits because we have a bird bath and bird feeders. I also get a lot of butterflies who stop by. I have seen a pair of rabbits, but only in the evenings. And squirrels pretty much all day long. Once, and only once, I actually had a horse stop by to get a drink. Look at this butterfly. See that curled thing under his chin? That is his tongue. He can uncurl it and drink with it. It works kind of like a straw. Butterflies only eat liquids. They like to drink nectar from flowers. These are my crepe myrtle blossoms. I moved all my herbs to the front of the house. Rosemary, oregano, cilantro, and basil. Here's the view from my front porch. Oh look, I have a little visitor. She comes very close to me. Oh, where did she go? There she is, over on that bush right there. Now she has come back. She is a red-spotted purple butterfly. I know she looks blue, but that's what her name is. She's a red-spotted purple butterfly. See the red spots when she opens her wings? She's only a few feet from me. The rug must have some little droplets of moisture in it because I see her tongue being very busy. Now she is on the chair next to me, as if she wants to have a sit-down visit with me. Now, let's go to my vegetable garden. The zucchini plants are looking very beautiful and healthy. I have got a lot of zucchinis from this little garden bed this year. It probably helped a great deal having some bees in my backyard. A friend asked me to keep his bees for a couple of weeks because he was just trying to establish a hive, and I think they have to be like 5 miles away from where he captured them to I'm not exactly sure. I don't really know anything about bees, but I love having them around. These are honeybees. In order for the zucchini plants to produce fruit, it must have visits from the bees. The bees move the pollen from plant to plant. There are male flowers and female flowers. The zucchini blossom opens up in the morning, and if they get a visit from the bees, a zucchini will grow from beneath the blossom. Here is a bucket of Swiss chard, which is good for salad. We plant flowers and seeds in the ground. The butterflies, the bees, and the birds, they come around and they pollinate, and then we get to eat the food that grows from the garden. On my side yard, I have a strawberry ziggurat. I love it because it sits up at arm level, so it's very easy to tend. Spring blossoms. Here's a strawberry blossom. The green has come back to the plants. Oh, looky here. We have a new kind of a flower in my garden. A cat. This is Grandma. Lately she has been snoozing, taking a nap in the strawberry bin. It's funny because her kittens when they were little used to play in the strawberry bin. She's kind of made this her place lately. Almost every day now we see her lying here in this spot. I guess she got herself a nice soft bed. A strawberry bed. During strawberry season, we pick berries almost every day. My garden is over there. The fence also keeps the chickens out of my garden. There's this butterfly. It was visiting me yesterday. I swear this butterfly is following me around. It looked like the same one that I saw yesterday. It sometimes flies around in circles around me. This strawberry bed is in my backyard on the ground. I want to build more raised beds above ground ziggurat. The wonderful thing about growing strawberries is that the plants keep multiplying. I give away plants to my friend every year, and yet my strawberry garden keeps growing and needs more space. I have an apple tree in my backyard, but we have yet to be able to taste any of the apples because the deer always comes and eats them all before they're ready to harvest. One time, I saw a squirrel eating one of the apples. Thanks for visiting my garden. Come again some other time.